Is it possible that everything you thought about the stock market is a trap? This arena, which has made millionaires, still confounds beginners like you. Are you prepared to escape the cycle of crash after crash and finally decipher the path to smart investing? Stick around as we unravel one of the best-kept secrets of wealth building. By the end of this documentary, you will have gained insights into a strategy the top 1% of stock investors use to consistently outperform the market. It's a skill set that's rarely taught but is crucial for dodging the devastating pitfalls many newbies face. The first step on your investing journey is understanding the profit potential of stocks. Stocks are shares of ownership in a company. This simple concept is the foundation of shareholder value and can be the key to your financial future, providing dividends and capital gains. But why do stocks matter so much? Imagine being a part owner of a thriving business, entitled to a portion of its cash earnings. The historical returns in the stock market have outpaced other asset classes like bonds or real estate. It's time you leverage this potential. Diversification is your armor against crash. Instead of putting all your money into one stock, spread it across various sectors or market indices. This strategy reduces risks and increases chances of steady, long-term returns. Now, for a hidden gem: investing in dividends. Dividends are earnings shared with stockholders. They provide a steady income stream and can grow over time, enabling investors to compound their cash like never before. Consider the importance of financial literacy. Understand terms like P/E ratio, market cap, and dividend yield. These metrics are a beginner's gateway to evaluating the intrinsic value of stocks, determining if they are under or overpriced. If you're finding value in this journey into the stock market, hit like and comment your thoughts below. This feedback helps us bring more tailored content, making complex finance topics accessible to everyone wanting to build wealth. Pause, wait. Let's freeze frame for a second. If you don't get this part, the rest makes no sense. We mapped this out in our previous video, check it out later. Now, back to reality. The world of stock investing can seem daunting, but armed with the right tools and knowledge, it's an empowering process. Timing in the market is not about speculation but about consistent investing. Adopting a disciplined approach, such as dollar-cost averaging, minimizes emotional investing mistakes, smoothing out volatility and increasing your profit chance. Let's delve into the psychology of investing. Fear and greed drive markets. Recognizing these emotions and responding with calculated decisions instead of knee-jerk reactions separates successful investors from the novice. Reinvesting profits is an underutilized yet powerful tool. Take those dividends and capital gains and put them back to work by purchasing more shares. This technique enhances compounding returns, turning your initial investment into a sustainable income source. Tax implications can affect the cash in your portfolio. Understanding how capital gains taxes work allows you to strategize sell-offs and maximize net income. It's an intricate dance but crucial for keeping more of your profits. Evaluate your investments periodically. Set performance benchmarks and ensure your investment thesis still holds true. The market evolves, and staying informed ensures that your portfolio aligns with your financial goals. Remember, investing is a long-haul endeavor. Don't chase losses or follow hype trends. Instead, maintain a disciplined and strategic approach, focusing on learning and growing. This way, you're setting the stage to build a significant financial legacy. Subscribe to our channel to continue expanding your financial acumen. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the Ultimate Money Guide, a companion to navigate the ever-evolving financial landscape. Until next time, keep investing wisely.